In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the side glass in your IKEA kitchen cabinet drawer. The easiest way to do this is with the drawer removed. It can be done with the drawer in place. So you're going to take your glass, slide it into this front groove here, and you're going to line it up in the back, and you're going to take one of your white brackets here, and it's going to slide in to your glass and clip into place. And that's just temporarily secured until you get this black bracket installed. This black bracket slides right in here in the back and snaps in, and that's what holds your glass securely in place. And we're just going to repeat the same process on the other side. And that's a wrap on installing the glass on the IKEA kitchen cabinet drawers. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.